Hey guys, Steph Condo here. As you guys can see, I have this head thing on. I have the shotgun and I have the flashlight still attached. Jacob has his thing around him, like that.
Cause it won't fit on my head.
No, you have to tighten it like mine is.
I don't like to tighten it.
But yeah, we're gonna use this. See, it's starting to get a bit dark out. When we start to have the fire, is what we're gonna have a Nerf war after this. To replace the one we had last night. We just did his birthday. I forgot the camera, so yeah. So this one of them because we were playing a game earlier, not a Nerf game, but our big brother was shooting at us, aka Atomic or Ian. And our guest is Jacob or Jake the Tiger. Jake the Tiger, if you would. Yeah, there's cows down there. I don't even know if you guys can even see that.
I can.
See the black thing above that tree?
Yeah.
See the black thing above that tree?
Yeah.
Right there, right in front of my finger.
Stand up. On here, you can see them.
I know, but you can see it on camera too.
No, like stand up on the hay so that people can see them.
See right there, right in front of my finger? The black dot above the tree is a cow. From this distance, it looks just like a blur. Well, there's two cows now.
Yeah, there is.
Above the trees. But from this distance, it looks like a blur. Oh, this one's hollow.
No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is.
Some termites probably, but
Yeah, termites it is.
you guys didn't see the video because it failed and I deleted the video already. But we went on the hidden railroad on our bikes,
I hate
and I went onto this path thing down there. I found that on the wagon. Remember, flashback. Remember, oh, wait, flashback. Jacob, maybe in the next video, guys, Jacob and I are gonna bring our bikes down to this path and ride on it.
Yeah.
But now, present, we didn't do that. Well, we did, but he kept wiping out and he got scared because he almost went right into the woods.
Shut up.
So, and I kept on sliding. It was getting hard, so I said, screw it.
Yeah.
But I like the part where I actually rode with one hand on a bike. Jacob, do you want to redo that
No.
on the path? It'll be fun.
What pass?
When we went on the hidden railroad,
Maybe. Well,
I'll stay with you.
I'm preparing for our Nerf war tonight. I was just saying.
He can't do a sit-up.
Can't, bro.
Okay, guys, so let's show you. It only takes about 3 minutes. So, let me get the bike up. Ugh. Jacob, get ready.
Wait, where are we going?
Hidden railroad.
Wait, we're doing it right now?
Yes. Right now, while there's still light and we don't have to use our lights to see the ground. Come on. Hurry up. See, one hand, pedaling, waiting for him. Now to go faster. Hey, there's Alex over there. And there's Atomic trying to do a sit-up, but he can't. Okay. Woo. So far. Start over here. Anything for views, right, Jacob? Or Jake the Tiger? Keep pedaling. Woo! Oh God! Oh God! Oh, bumpier than bumpy. Oh, help! We've actually gone on this about 3 times. We've gone about this 3 times. Once on camera, once on camera. This is our 3rd. Okay, I'm gonna push up the rest. There he is, trying to make it. Nope, he couldn't. This is gonna take maybe 4 minutes. Hurry up. Oh God. There's our grandma in purple. Ugh. Okay, let's get back riding. I'm gonna ride. At this point, guys, I'm just gonna fly. Because there's barely any hill parts now. So, Here's the last hill, which I just flew up. Woo! Whoa! 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 Huh. Whoa! Your chain? You think it came off? Whoa!
So I was hearing this buzzing noise and it was my bike.
Where are the wheels? The chain's still on it. There you guys go. Next clip, we'll have these bikes up there, and we'll be right there on that pond. We'll be right on the porch up there. Now. Ooh. We both came here. When I wanted to teleport, he sat down. I just landed. Bikes were over there. Do you want to do it again now? And then we can do it at night?
No.
Okay, yeah, that took about 4 minutes. Okay, it's the dilemma we had over there. But you know what, I'm doing it again.
Alright.
It's fun as hell. Looks like Royal scratched up the stink or Royal. Scratched up the stink. Yeah, I already told them. Royal's the shy one, stinks the shy one, Royal's the aggressive little bitch that'll bite your eye out.
Yeah, you scratched me. You never scratched.
Yeah, I'm the only one that has never been scratched by the cat. Hurry up. Oh, gosh. Now I'm using my right hand. See? My right. Hey, Pep.
Hi, Papa.
Do you think we're having the fire now? We're starting the fire?
I gotta get one.
Jacob, meet me at the, near the fence.
Need air in them tires, bub.
What?
Need air in them tires.
I know, but it gives you a better challenge. I know, but it makes you have a better workout, though. It's harder. There Jacob is, ahead of me. Let's see if we can pass him up. Don't shoot me. I have one hand. Fudge, he shot me. Up, up. Yep. I'm flying like a little birdie. Oh, I thought she was just running, following us. Oh, Sadie. But she isn't. Oh! Whoa! Oh! Jacob! I almost fell off and hurt my wrist. I was going too fast in that one bumpy part. Woo! Let's fly, little birdies. Up. Let's get up this hill quickly. Up. And then we can fly at this part. Hear the buzzy sound you probably heard? Is that a cicada or my wheels? Makes it like a wheelie sound. Why on the hill?
Got on.
Here we go. It's almost time to fly, guys. Almost time. It's time to fly. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Like that kind of go. Honey, down. Like that kind of go. Honey, down. Oh! There's Jacob and there's Ian. Okay. Next pick will be up there by the tree there. We're here, guys. Now, Jacob's still trying to push up his bike. Woo!
Left to right his bike.
What?
He was pushing it up and jumped on to make it look like he was.
No.
Differ.
Doesn't matter. I said next clip. Moving. Oh God, guys. Sorry, I just realized I was doing it the whole time that we were on that bike trail thing. So, oh, there's Pep and Lady trying to start the fire. You want to go on one more time or no?
I can take it.
You can take it? No, let's go. Well, there's Atomic being a bitch. Or Ian. Oh. Yes, there he is. There she and Sadie are. Sorry the camera's so shaky. You have no clue how hard this is. Okay. See, there's Alex and Sadie. There's Jacob. Okay. Okay, guys. Yep. Let's keep going. Okay. I'm gonna try to swerve that spot right there, the gray part next. Okay. I got a better grip on the steering wheel. Oh. He's still behind us. Far. There. I don't know if you guys can see him. Just basically a blind turnaround. Bryce, you guys can probably hear the talent banging on that one part. They laid my tablet down and rested it, and it started banging because how shaky and bumpy it was. So it was hit the dusty trail, and those skate ons keep rolling along. We've been 2 minutes in already. Start up. Woo! Fully functional. Let's move. Whew. Whew. Got a better grip now. Up, 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 up. Oh God, guys, I'm so close to the woods. And done, guys.
Next time when you do that, I am literally telling Pat.
Bullet.
No.
You just have it. Okay, guys.
He was way on.
That's the end of this video. Next
Here's
video,
my bullet.
we're gonna have a Nerf Myth at night. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Give me.